Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see linked list, searching a node in a linked list. Here we have one linked list and we are going to search a particular node for a given value. For example, in this node we are given 300, means you have to iterate from the beginning to the end, and you have to find out whether this number exists or not. So that's the question. So this is one of the most frequently asked question during the interviews. So you can learn this just the three statements in this C++ code. Okay, how do we do this problem is we are given this head node, and from this node you have to jump to next node, and you have to find the answer, and you have to keep this iteration until till the end of the node. If you don't find out the answer in this list, then you can quit. You can return it as a not existing value. Okay, how do we traverse in this node? That's the one of the critical part of this program. Okay, well, this is the code snippet. It will be helpful for me to solve this problem. Okay, while this node exists, current node, initially I've been in the head node, so that's my current. So this the node pointer I'm going to use each and every nodes to maintain my current status. Once my current reaches the end, I'll switch to the next. When I switch to the next, it will be null. So you can use current not equal to null. Until it's not equal to null, you can traverse in this node. Okay, how do we traverse in this one is we can use this next pointer. We are standing here, and the next pointer is to denote the next node. So you can use currents next, which means the currents next will be in the current. So the current will be in this position. So we are using this statement to travel to the next nodes. When you're traveling, if you encounter this current data is equals to the expected data, then that time you have to return true. That's the only thing you have to write. So there is literally 3 to 4 lines of code will be helpful for you to solve this problem. So we switch to Visual Studio Code, and we try to implement the same thing. Here I have the necessary importing statements, and here I have the class node. I have the nodes having integers as data, and next pointer and constructor for that. And here is my driver class to write all the functional programs for this. It's a linked list class, and it has head and tail pointers, and having the constructor for head and tail. And here's my main code, and here I have inserted 5 to 6 elements and printed the data. Okay, now what we do is we'll straightly write that function as a bool search, and inside of it I'm asking for the expected data, and if it is not exist, first we have to return false, and you need a current position. So what I do is I need a one pointer list node of current, and that's initially at the head. First time it will be standing at the first position. At the time of execution it should stand at the head, so that's the reason it's head. And while current is there, in this line you no need to give this not equal to null, because in model compilers when it is null it will not go inside at all. So you can use this only current, and if that current's data equal to the expected data, then you have to return true. Next is I have to switch my position to the next position, so current equal to current next. Okay, that's it. In main function you can just write cout boolean function will return, so search l dot search. Here I am passing the value as 5, so 5 is there in this one. So right click, run. Yeah, one means it's true, so you can use the condition. Also you can print yes or no, so yes or no. Here I in braces, so one more braces here. Okay, now run. Yes, and when I'm giving it as 50 and run, no. So my code is executing perfectly, and this is for the searching value in this linked list. So hope you understood this problem and solution, and thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.